Hey, this is Joey from Preserve Wealth Group. So if you've watched our latest tax strategy report card free training video where we break down the 4 most common tax reduction methods business owners use, you know which strategy is the most efficient for you in 2025. So our network of financial consultants meet with over 500 business owners every single month. And in those conversations, we've identified the 4 most common concerns that comes up before implementing tax sheltered investment strategies. So these aren't hypothetical concerns. These are real questions from successful business owners who are serious about keeping more of what they earned. So before business owners commit to our tax sheltered investment strategies that can save them up to $50,000 to $500,000 in annual taxes, they want to understand exactly how this works. So in this video, I'm going to break down what are the top 4 concerns we hear straight from the conversations of hundreds of business owners just like you. And if you haven't watched our tax strategy report card free training video, I'll link it in the description below. But first, let's dive into those concerns that stops most business owners from transforming their tax liability.
Now, let me address the 4 biggest concerns I hear from business owners just like you who are considering this approach to reduce their tax burden. So number 1 is, I already have an accountant who helps me with taxes. And I completely understand that. And virtually every client we work with starts with this exact concern. But here's the critical difference. Traditional accountants are focused on compliance and finding deductions, which often means encouraging you to buy depreciating assets just so you can write them off. What we do instead is help you invest your money in those tax sheltered investments that appreciate in value year over year, and you're not taxed on that growth. Instead of buying depreciating assets, you're building wealth that grows tax-free. So your accountant is still valuable for compliance and business operations, but we complement their work by focusing exclusively on wealth preservation strategies that most accountant professionals just aren't trained to implement. Which takes me to concern number 2 is, what strategies do you have that I don't already know about? And this is perhaps the most important question. What makes our approach different is specialized tax sheltered investment vehicles that provide 3 unique benefits. Number 1 is its tax advantage contributions that reduce your current tax burden. 2 is tax-free growth on your investments, no capital gains or income tax. And 3, it's tax-free access to your wealth when you need it. So these aren't new or untested strategies. Again, the ultra wealthy have used them for centuries. The difference is in how you structure and implement them, specifically for your own financial situation and for the business that you have. For example, one of our most powerful strategies involves a specialized premium finance estate planning solution that creates immediate tax advantages while building long-term wealth. Something one of our pharmacy owner clients used to cut his tax bill by 50%. So these aren't strategies you'll find in typical financial planning books or from conventional advisors because they require specialized knowledge to implement correctly. Concern number 3 is, how are your consultants compensated if you don't charge upfront fees? Which is an excellent question that gets to the heart of aligning interests. And our financial consultants are compensated directly by the financial institutions where your money is invested. So this creates perfect alignment with your goals because our consultants only get paid when you implement the strategy. So the more you invest, the more you save on taxes, the more your wealth grows. So everybody wins. So we have vested interest in your long-term success, not just a one-time transaction. So this compensation structure allows us to provide high-level financial consultation without charging the $10,000 to $50,000 strategy fees that most tax consultants require upfront. So the institutions pay our consultants because they gain a valuable long-term client, which is you, and you benefit from sophisticated tax strategies without paying expensive consulting fees. Concern number 4, I haven't filed my taxes yet, so I don't know exactly how much I owe. And that's actually not a problem at all. While we can't always change what you owe from the previous years, we can dramatically impact what you'll owe in the future. And the best time to implement these strategies is now. Before another tax year passes with unnecessary payments to the IRS or the CRA, the sooner you implement these strategies, the more years of tax-free growth you'll experience. Many of our clients come to us after a painful tax season, determined to never write such a large check to the government ever again. Or others are more proactive, implementing our strategies before their business growth puts them in an even higher tax bracket.
So these 4 concerns are exactly why most business owners continue to overpay in taxes. But now you know the truth. So if you're ready to see real case studies of business owners who have transformed their tax liability, make sure to watch our next video. I'll link it in the description below, which is that free training about that tax strategy report card that compares the top 4 tax reduction methods business owners use in 2025 to show you exactly which one comes out on top. So click in the link in the description to watch this in-depth training. And remember, every dollar you don't pay in taxes is a dollar that can grow your wealth. So see you in the next video.